By KIMT Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Chris Nelson.
Hi.
So we're talking more snow. A couple chances this week, actually.
Yeah, tomorrow morning, winter weather advisory. Maybe an inch or two at the most. But then Friday, that could be a doozy.
That could be. I was just going to say, that's going to be the doozy.
Yeah, so we'll touch on that, and we'll talk about where that is right now and the current trends. But let's look outside right now as we look at the Med City. 18 degrees. We started off the day this morning in the 30s, but the winds have shifted behind the storm system that brought snow yesterday. And now the winds have lightened up, and that's going to set the stage for a cold night. Again, 18 in the Med City. In Austin, it's 23. Same wind speed at 5 miles an hour, but the direction is out of the west and northwest, it feels like, at 17. More current conditions in terms of our temperatures. It's 18 in Mason City. It's 18 in Owatonna, 21 in Forest City, 18 in Preston, and it's 18 degrees in Charles City. Again, the winds are light between 5 and 10 miles an hour, but it's the direction that's key, and that's allowing for cooler air to set up shop. And with high pressure moving overhead over the next few hours, that will allow our temperatures to really fall. Now, the feels like dipping down as well, but 8 in Preston. Looks like it's 11 currently what it feels like in Charles City, and the wind chill in Owatonna, 18-23 in Austin. When can we expect snow? It will be after midnight tonight, and I actually think it'll be closer to daybreak for most of the area, but we will thicken up the clouds by later on this evening, and that's going to help our temperatures stay likely into the teens. Storm Tracker 3, our Doppler radar system, and we also have the satellite on there tracking east with one system. The second one bringing all that energy over the Rockies. That's the one for tomorrow. And with all this energy around, and the dynamics are there for not only snow, but a wintry mix. And the Weather Service going ahead and posting a winter weather advisory along I-90 and south. This does include all of North Iowa. And it looks like one county in southern Minnesota for Fillmore. This is going to run from 1 a.m. Wednesday until 7 a.m. So about a 6 hours time period, we will see the chance for that wintry mix. And then all eyes on the Gulf of Alaska and then tracking in the Pacific. This is Friday's storm that will have major impacts on our weather. So tracking what comes in for tomorrow. Leading edge tracking from southwest to northeast. Overspreading the area, I think, by daybreak, and as the sun rises, we'll have snow around the area, even a little bit of ice possible. After lunchtime, the snow is done. We clear out the skies again. Temperatures drop possibly even below zero by Thursday morning. The ice, again, is the concern, I think, for me. There'll be a little bit of snowfall, but a glaze of ice could cause all kinds of problems. Best chances of ice will be south of I-90. North of I-90, we could see an inch, inch and a half. South of that, about a half an inch to an inch. And then all eyes, what happens on Friday. Looks like the snow begins to impact the area. I think it'll be Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. Could be the heaviest, I think, Friday night. Should be done with by Saturday morning, but the totals could be up. Right now, I know this model indicating between 7 or 8 inches. I'm thinking close to that, around 6 inches or above that. The models have been going anywhere from 4 inches to 10 inches. So we'll split the difference right now. I think 6 to 8 will be possible as we get into Friday night and Saturday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast for the weekend's always into you. A couple of these highs will be around the single digits. Could be looking at 8 or 9 for a couple of those days, and even a few nights spending below zero. Katie?
Thanks, Chris. Some people are excited and already preparing for the snow we're expecting to see later this week.